he only drank water. How many months now? 9 months. After that 3 months he stopped everything and stood in cold water on just one thumb and started doing tapas. 5 years old boy. Can you imagine? All the worlds got shivering with this tapas shakti. Then Srimad Narayana came to Dhruva, and Dhruva was closing his eyes. He was doing dhyana. Srimad Narayana came, and Dhruva, his eyes are still closed. So Srimad Narayana called Dhruva. Dhruva opened his eyes. Srimad Narayana standing there, 5 years old boy. What does he know? He doesn't know what to do. See, if you get a very distinguished guest to your house, your 5 years old son, what does he know? He doesn't know, even though I have to invite him and offer him sofa. He doesn't know anything. Dhruva was just like looking at Srimad Narayana. Srimad Narayana put his shankha on Dhruva's cheeks, Kapola. Then Dhruva starts his prayer. Dhruvastuti. Yontah pravishya mama vacha mimam prasuptam sanjeevayatyahira shakti dharasvadhamna anyamscha hasta charana shravanatvagadin pranan namo bhagavate purushaya tubhyam. And then he starts another question. Yontah pravishya, you entered into me. Srimad Narayana entered into Dhruva. Through that shankha, he transferred his power, his energy. Yontah pravishya mama vacham imam prasuptam. My vak was sleeping. It was in hibernation. Imam prasuptam mama vacham imam prasuptam sanjeevayati. You gave life to my vak. Sanjeevayat yahila shakti dharasvadhamna. Ahila shakti dharasvadhamna. Anyamscha. Where did he get that? Where did he give that shakti? Ahila shakti dharasvadhamna. From him, Srimad Narayana. He transferred that energy from him. Dharasvadhamna anyamscha hasta charana shravanatvagadin. Not only to the vak, anyamscha hasta charana shravanatvagadin. And he transferred his energy, his power to all the senses. Pranan namo bhagavate purushaya tubhyam. This was the first shloka my father taught me when I was 4 years old. So, this is what called Vachaspatihi. So, Srimad Narayana is called Vachaspatihi, Udaradhihi. And he knows how to give that energy to people. Udaradhihi, Udara Buddhi, Paramatma. Paramatma is so generous that Udara, English word for Udara is generous. Right? But what does generous mean? Again, same topic comes every week. What does generous means? What is the meaning of the word generous? Generous, I know what is generous, but what is the meaning of the word generous? Udara means asamantat griyate. He gives till the end. He gives whatever you want. If he wants to give you, nobody can stop him. There is no limit, limitless. So he is called Udaradhi. Agrani. So next shloka. Agrani, Gramani, Shriman, Nyayo, Neta, Samirana. Beautiful namas. Agrani, Gramani, Shriman. Shriman, we use for everybody Shriman. But what does it really mean? We will see next week, next Saturday. Now, Archana, I